Skyler with Ignite Attachments, and today we're working with replacing broken rake tines on our tine rake. First thing you want to do is make sure it's parked on level ground and put a jack stand under either side of the bottom C channel just so that the tine rakes are barely setting on the ground, and then we can go ahead and loosen all 8 bolts and nuts with a 3/4 inch wrench and socket. With all 8 bolts removed, you can raise your 3-point up very slowly just to make sure you have enough room to pull out your broken tines, and you can insert your new tines by sliding the hole over this tooth and resting it in place. Once you've replaced all your broken ones, you can slowly lower your 3-point down, insert your bolts, and torque them to 35 foot-pounds.